Yeah, so I had a very great experience attending this event, and I would see a lot of encouragement for all the participants. The content was very well curated, and then I would really congratulate to the crew members and all the members from the facility.
I would say it was thrilling. We were given 24 hours for this hackathon, but I feel it was not enough because we really did everything, generalize our model and all. It was a very good experience for me.
My experience was simply amazing. Like these 2 days have been really fun. I got to learn a lot of different things and I got to learn things about different people as well. Seeing all of these come together and working on the same tech that I have been for some time now, that was really amazing.
It was purely technical, very fun, super innovative because I got to do hands-on on AMD GPUs and these were amazing, very fast and very reliable. Favorite part of the hackathon was getting access to the GPUs because working as a student or a working professional, I got to actually work with this fast performing GPU and that was super amazing.
I really liked the experience of the hackathon. So I'm really happy that AMD has partnered with Hugging Face and let me speak to a bunch of like-minded folks.
The experience was very nice. We got to play around with AMD's GPUs. We got to run our language models locally.
So it's really great to be in the hackathon. We really feel proud and then to work with and other professional colleagues along with us.
Challenging initially. The challenging part was to get the agents to answer within the time limit.
Definitely a lot about networking. It was really created bunch of intelligence coming here and networking. And we also brainstormed with a lot of people as to how to solve these solutions. And that only gave a lot of new ideas and it helped a lot.
It was challenging and it was fun.
It was wonderful 2 days event. We had a very sleepless night.
Getting free AMD GPUs to use.
A very unique experience to interact with developers.
It was awesome actually. First of all, we saw a lot of participants who came in. They came up with so many different innovative solutions, and finally we had to choose 3 people for the winners. But it was really great to see the passion, the energy that the entire crowd brought along. Definitely India has quite a big developer community, but the events like these are not happening in India before, and we thus started with Mumbai and Bengaluru. I think there should be more such events, and there should also be other different ways of also engaging with developers.
The AMD AI Sprint is not just a roadshow. As a product marketing manager, I have had the privilege of taking this initiative to Paris, IIT Bombay, and now at IISc Bengaluru. Everywhere we go, the message is clear. Developers are the beating heart of AI revolution. Through these events, AMD is bringing high-performance AI computing directly to the people building the future. Students, researchers, startups, enterprises, etc. If you're an AI developer, this is where you belong. Build, learn, and push the boundaries of what's possible with AMD.